We are here with a new video. In today's video, we will teach you very easy and time-saving painting. After watching this video, we can say for sure that anyone who can't paint will learn to paint easily. Take a painting brush. Separate its holding and painting parts from each other. Take the holding part and cut it into 2 pieces. Now let's use the one piece that is attached to the painting part. Take the lid of a water bottle and make a hole of a certain size in its lid as the piece of holding part has. Now attach the lid with the same brush piece. Strengthen this joint using Alfie. Use spray on it so that Alfie dries and the work can proceed. Take the painting part of the brush and make some holes in it. Use Alfie to connect the painting part to the piece so that it is firmly attached. Now take the bottle and fill it with color. The bottle lid, which is now attached to the brush, put it back on the bottle. Now get to work. You can see it can paint anything easily and with great convenience. In the past, you used to fill a bucket with paint and hold the brush in a separate hand and dip it into the bucket and paint. There is no need for it now. Now with this new method, you can color anything with one hand and with continuous ease. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and share your ideas with us in the comments so that we can make good videos for you.